Cassie Ventura to testify using her name in Diddy's sex trafficking trial. Embattled hip-hop mogul Diddy Combs' former partner Cassie Ventura is prepared to testify under her real name in his upcoming federal trial. In a motion filed on Friday, April 4th, prosecutors state that Victim 1 will not be testifying anonymously during Combs' upcoming trial, where he faces charges of racketeering, conspiracy, sex trafficking, and transportation to engage in prostitution. Ventura is Victim 1 and that she will be testifying in the trial. The filing states she's prepared to testify under her own name. Victim 2, Victim 3, and Victim 4 have asked that their identities not be revealed to the press or the public. Prosecutors revealed that the anonymous victims be referred to at trial using only pseudonyms and for the court to require the defense not to share identifying details about them. Prosecutors state that this case has already received an exceptional amount of media coverage, which will presumably only resume as trial proceeds, and permitting these measures will prevent unnecessary public disclosure of the victims' identities and the harassment from the media and others, undue embarrassment, and other adverse consequences that would almost certainly follow if these women were forced to reveal their true names publicly at trial. Diddy was first charged with 3 counts of sex trafficking, racketeering, and transportation to engage in prostitution in September 2024. The latest indictment against Combs, made public by federal prosecutors in New York City on April 4th, and then obtained by People, included 1 more count each of sex trafficking and transportation to engage in prostitution. Cassie Ventura first made headlines in May 2024 when CNN released a surveillance video that allegedly showed Diddy chasing and beating her in a hotel in March 2016. Also in the footage, Diddy allegedly can be seen grabbing, shoving, and kicking her during the altercation, and the footage supported allegations she made in a now settled lawsuit filed in November 2023.
Well, this is definitely a twist, because I did not expect that Cassie, with her real name now, Ventura, will testify in this case. Now, the reason why is because, you know, when the issue came out the first time, we did see a situation where, you know, Cassie had sued Bad Boy Inc. Right, with Bad Boy Records. She didn't sue Diddy as a person. She sued the company, and you know that's where the whole thing started. The dominoes started falling, and then the company had to settle out of court. And so I would believe that the settlement out of court meant that Cassie could not be involved in anything legal anymore with this case. So it's a twist that I'm seeing here. I don't know if that's the reason why she's now testifying with her real name and not anonymous. But I would love to find out more about this issue and read more on it, because I need to know how legally she can now be involved in it, because she's been settled out of court.
Yeah, so what I feel is, I don't know, I might be wrong, but what I feel is maybe since it was against Bad Boy Records, now it's against Diddy, one person, not the company. And then in a way, I won't say I didn't see this coming, because after the settlement, there was a time someone came out to talk about something, and Cassie also came out, and she said something again. So if it was settled, I didn't expect her to still talk about it. But the fact that even after settlement, she still spoke about it, and there were no legal implications, nobody took any legal, filed any lawsuit or said anything about it, then this didn't come as a shock to me. Because she already spoke even after being settled. When most of the time, when people settle things either in court or out of court, they don't talk about it anymore, because it means that we've shut you up and this case has been settled. So if you're even going to talk about it, it won't be during another person's case. It might just be you referring to, oh, this happened to me in the past, but we're all good.
I mean, definitely one thing they are definitely right about is that this is going to garner lots of media attention when the court proceedings finally kick off. We're looking forward to it. I hope maybe they make it like the case of, what's this guy's name? The guy who was very popular.
Kelly?
No, the American footballer.
Oh.
Yeah. I hope they make it an open court session.
Yeah, where you can record and everything.
Yeah, and then we can actually follow and see what's going on. But if not, I mean, it will still make for a special Netflix series.
Yeah, it will.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we will be back after this timeout. Stay tuned.